In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a multiple choice quiz in Google Forms easily. This process will help you create interactive quizzes for any occasion, from educational purposes to fun quizzes for friends, all in just a few minutes. Let's get started by heading over to Google Drive. This is the place where all your Google Forms will be stored, so if you haven't already, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Once you are in Google Drive, look for the New button, usually found in the upper left corner. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu displaying several options. Here, you want to find Google Forms. If it isn't immediately visible in the main menu, try looking under More, click on Google Forms, and you will be presented with two options, creating a blank form or using a template. For our purposes today, select blank form. Now that your blank form has been created, you can start personalizing it. Begin by giving your form a name. This could be something descriptive like general knowledge quiz or anything that fits the theme of your questions. Just click where it says untitled form at the top and type in your chosen name. Next, directly underneath the title, you can add a description. This is a helpful place to provide participants with context, instructions, or any necessary information they may need before starting the quiz. Next, click on Settings. This is an important step because it enables the Make This a Quiz option, turning your form into a quiz where you can assign points and provide feedback for answers. Once you've enabled the quiz feature, navigate back to the Questions tab. This is where you begin crafting your quiz questions. When typing your first question, make sure it's clear and concise. After you've entered the question, you need to select the type of response format. Since we're focusing on a multiple choice quiz, select multiple choice from the drop-down menu. Now comes the fun part. Adding different answer options. Type each potential answer into the provided fields. If you need more than the default fields, simply click Add Option to include additional possibilities. Ensure that you've clicked the required toggle for questions that must be answered to complete the quiz, indicating to participants that this is an essential question. Once your options are set, click on the Answer Key link, allowing you to select which answer is correct. This feature is great for automating scoring, as Google Forms will know how to assign points based on your input. Set the number of points the question is worth, and consider adding feedback for your answers. This could be explanations for why an answer is correct or suggestions for further reading in case of incorrect responses. When you're finished, click Save and then Done. Don't forget to preview your work to ensure everything looks and functions as expected. Lastly, when you're satisfied, click on Publish to make your quiz available to participants. And that's it, you've successfully created a multiple choice quiz using Google Forms in just a few minutes. Happy quizzing!